So hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how easily you can connect your Esp8266 with Thingspeak platform. First of all, you have to download its library. You have to go to include library, manage libraries, and there you have to search for Thingspeak library. Now type Thingspeak and here we have it. I've already installed this library, so it's showing installed. You have to install Thingspeak by MathWorks. Install the latest version so it will support all of your hardware and code. Now go to file, examples, and then go to Thingspeak. Here and at the bottom you can see Esp8266. Now go to program board directly and you can select any of these. This is for reading from Thingspeak and these are for writing to Thingspeak. Now select write multiple. So here this is just example code how you can write multiple values to Thingspeak. So you have to go to secrets tab and update your SSID, password and your channel ID and API key. For that, for API key and your channel ID, you have to make a channel at Thingspeak. Now I've already made a channel. You have to make your account at this MathWorks, and now as you can see I already have this channel, so I'm going to create a new channel and name my channel as test, and description you can leave it empty or you can give it any name. Test transmission. Now go to the bottom and save channel. Now you can create this channel for public view, private view only, or you can share with specific people to whom you want to give access to your channel. And right here in this tab your API keys are available. Now this is your channel ID and these are your read and write API keys. You will need this one for writing your data to Thingspeak. So multiple serial and paste it here. Now your channel ID, copy and then paste it, and my SSID now after updating your credential in this secrets tab, you have to connect your ESP board and then go to tools, select your COM port, select your board and then hit upload. I have this board with me, and I have installed multiple sensors on this. I'm planning to make a health monitoring device. So in future I'll upload its complete video of its working with Thingspeak. So this video is for demo, that how you can connect your Esp8266 with Thingspeak. These are pretty simple steps and you can follow them, but there are some technical points that you have to keep in mind, which I am going to show you just now. Wait for it to compile and then upload. Now it's being uploaded. After successful upload, first of all you have to open your serial monitor to see. So open your serial monitor and you will see that connected, channel update successful. So we have to go to our channel, private view, and this is our data. So there should be 4 fields. Add visualization or to display channel setting. Go to channel settings and update your fields 1 2 3 4, because we have 4 data strings coming to this channel. So private view, now you can see 4 random numbers are being sent to this channel. 1 2 3 and 4. After every 20 seconds it updates the data. Show the timestamp. Now after every 20 seconds it will update the data at your channel. You can vary this delay, or you can also use millisecond instead of delay to keep your code running. See, exactly 20 seconds and it sends data to your channel. So this right here is our delay at the end. You can change this according to your need. So just a quick update. Now I have my Max 30102 and my ADXL 345 connected with this Esp8266. Also I have my heart rate at my LCD, and it's sending its values at Thingspeak as well.